Hello friends, today I am going to start my new video which is on how things work, and this time I am going to show you how the tripod stand works. So I just recently got this as a Christmas gift, and also Merry Christmas to you all, and by the day this video releases it is Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you all, and just celebrate your Christmas with all your gifts. So this is my Christmas gift. There's one more and it is just sitting aside. So this is a tripod stand for mobile, and I will be using this for my recordings, and it is from the company TYGOT or Q. I don't know what is this. So this is the company. This tripod stand is very easy to use, and now I'm going to do its unboxing and telling you how this works. So many of you told that my videos were only unboxing and not much of how things work, and now I'm going to also tell you that how these things work and unboxing them. So let's start. So this is the main stand. This is the tripod stand, and it has many levels of extending also. So first we will look from the top. So this is the upper part. We have to just rotate it to open it. This will lose the handle, and it has a meter here which tells us that whether this is standing straight or not. It has a bubble in it with green colored liquid. I don't know what it is, what is the name of this instrument, but it is in this device and very handy. So I will just tighten it, and now we have this extra piece. This would have to go on this stand. So I will just screwdriver it down, or just fix it down. So now it is perfectly tight and fixed, and now we will study how it can move. So I can use this to turn it 360 degrees like this. We can hold this handle to turn it 360 degrees, and then just rotate it, and we can just rotate it in the directions we wanting. So after rotating this, we can just revolve it all around in a 360 degree. So it is basically very handy for using, because it can just record every single inch and angle of our video. So I will be using this for my other videos, rest of the videos that I am going to use. So right now I can't put a phone in here because I am just recording from it, and now I'm going to show you how these legs work. So there are some straps here, these. So if I'll open it like this, it will open and extend it like this, and then I will close it. We can close it just by flipping it back into its original place, and then I will do the same for the rest. And it has 3 levels, and it is very long. I hope you can see. Yes. So then I will just tight all of these and just open the other legs to show you on how it looks and how tall it is. So this is how tall it is in comparing to my height till here, and you can see that it is pretty much tall, and we can use it for much of the recordings that we want. So this is made up of aluminium, so it can withstand a lot of your falling, and if you by mistakenly just fall, if it falls, then it will not break. It is not plastic, and it is pure aluminium, so it is strong enough to withstand any fall damage, and also it is customizable. So if I will flick this and flick this and flick this, then I can adjust the height that I want. I want like this height, so I will fix it here. It is not a full rod, it is a half of a rod or a 3/4 of a rod, anything. We can adjust it as customizable, so we can adjust it as we want. So this is the whole thing, and if you think that it may fall or just all the legs will trip, but it has this thing which protects the whole thing from falling, so it keeps the legs in place. And also throw this box aside. So I don't think you can see. So it has a customizable head and fully rotatable 360 degrees. We just have to open these screws and then we can rotate it everywhere we want. So it is just basically very customizable, and I would prefer you all to buy this, and I think share the link in the description. So this is the whole tripod stand, and just now I am going to just pack it so that I can open it on Christmas. So for the last thing, Merry Christmas to you all and enjoy your holidays. Thank you. And also please watch my other videos on how things work. And this time I am also telling you that it is also an unboxing video with a video web how it works. So yes, you can watch my previous video on my telescope.